Fine. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Hi all. Good morning. And this is Manzar. I'll be handling this Tableau training. Okay. I'll be the instructor. And let's jump to the Tableau the agenda of for this for today. Okay, we'll be seeing this visualization till what we have to offer. Okay, what we are going to offer in this tool in this training, and we'll be showing a quick demo and the system requirement for Tableau installation, right? So what version of the Tableau we are going to use for this training, that and what you will get at the end of the course session. Okay, so about me, I have around 11 years of experience in IT. Okay, and I have been training. I've given training in the organization and also outside, right? And in various tools, Power BI, Cognos, and this Tableau. Okay, so now I'm a graduate, computer science graduate from Sastra University. So let's go ahead with the today's demo, and let's make it interactive, and whatever doubt you have or whatever mindset you have for about this Tableau, or whatever you want to learn, whatever doubt you may be having, clarification you may be having, okay, you can ask then and there. So you understand like what you want, and what from this session, and what you will what you will try to learn in this entire course. Okay, what you will get at the end of this course. Fine. So yeah, before we go ahead, so are you are you all anyhow related to the data warehousing project, or the project which is doing some kind of analysis, or you are from other background? You are working professional, student?
Yeah, I work as a data engineer.
Or you work as a data engineer?
Yeah.
And I work for cloud domain.
Okay. So you will have the knowledge, like how at least like what you want to do with the data, right? And how you want to process the data, but you need the tool, and so that, and the technique to utilize your data to showcase your manager, or showcase the to the users, right? So that's what we are going to see. Okay, what this tool will provide as a visualization tool, right? What it will provide to you for analyzing your data. Okay, for doing data engineering things and all. So about this capability of this Tableau, right? Tableau and the like of tools like Power BI and all. So these are in the market, right? These are the very good tools, and the Tableau is one of the oldest tool, okay, which is trusted for longer time, okay, and Power BI has come just now in few years back, right? Now, Tableau will have lot of user-friendly features. It has a lot of user-friendly features and functionalities which you can utilize. And drag and drop features are there. You don't have to code much in this tool. Okay. Only thing is you need to understand. You need to know how you can utilize these tools to make your dashboard, to make your report. Okay, user friendly and useful for the users to analyze, slice and dice your data. Okay, so you have to understand so what you will need to process your data, how you will show your data, how you will show the data in the form of visualization, how you will interact, how your data will interact with each other, or how the data will, from different domain, right, or different you can say department, how your data will interact. Okay, so those all those kind of things will be, you can here you can achieve very easily, okay, with the tool set provided by Tableau. And yeah, now in the market, right, these visualization tools like Tableau, it's very demanding, and you may already know like how in the market it's doing, right, and how the job and the job market, how many profile you will see the JDs, right, in Naukris or other sites. So you may know like how demanding it is, and what are the packages they are offering. So you may already know if you have researched about Tableau jobs and all. So this Tableau, right? Again, this you will have the different forms, in the tool. Like one you have for learning, you have for building your visualizations like Tableau desktop. Then you will be having, the cloud-based, environment where you will have your reports, you will have your dashboards, and you can share with others uh, securely, right? So those all those kind of things will be there. So what are the use cases, or what why you will be using Tableau for, right? To do the business intelligence work, right? To see the interactive visualizations and all, fine. And why you will use your data for getting the insights, right? Getting the insights to using the visualization, using your visualizations and all, and discovering patterns. You may be working for some machine learning work, data science project and all. So for that, you will be doing some exploratory analysis. You will check your data for further, to fit it into the model. So all those kind of things, right, you will be able to achieve through Tableau. Okay. And as I said, it is already means you have a cloud-based environment for Tableau, where you can place your report, and where you can share with others. Your users will use that. So, and all those kind of administrative works, everything will be done through that. Okay. So interactive dashboard and all we have already said. And in the market, like how it Gartner's quadrant, where it is placed, right? So you can see that Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, these are competitors. And before, right, before 2020, you would have seen like Tableau was on the top, and Microsoft was not there at that time. So MicroStrategy and all those these tools were there. So still, this Tableau, Microsoft, Power BI, these are on the top, and these are doing very good in the market. And yeah, till now, like on this Tableau capability, what you are, what you have in your mind, like. Do you have any question on this Tableau capability, like what you want to do with the Tableau, and whether we have that capability in Tableau or not? So do you have anything preset in your mind, like you already have?
So what is the prerequisite to learn the Tableau, and what is the language for this?
So prerequisite, right? So there is no
Yeah.
language. You don't have to. You don't have to have any prerequisite. Only thing is, so why you will use Tableau? You have to understand that. So you will be using Tableau to analyze your data, right? Analyze your data, and get some insight from your data. So you have to have domain understanding, the data understanding, how you want to use that data. Okay. Otherwise, the Tableau, whatever functionalities and tools are there, capabilities are there in the Tableau, you will be will learn all of those techniques, how to use it easily, and the calculations and all those things, right? It doesn't need any coding skills, okay, any particular coding skills, and those will be you will learn easily.
And SQL things also will no need, right?
Yeah, see, SQL actually, if you are working in any kind of, data, if you are working with any kind of data, right, you always need
Uh-huh.
to analyze the data, right? And for analyzing the data, even for Tableau, if you are saying that I'm just trying to, I will be just using Tableau and not SQL, that is fine. You can do, okay, you can use directly on the Tableau and check your data. But good to have SQL knowledge so that you already you have some kind of, you can explore your data before using Tableau and all, or you can even directly use Tableau to explore your data. But the
Okay.
general thing is, if you are using in data warehousing, then if you are using in data, then you need to have some kind of knowledge with SQL and those kind of tools. So little knowledge is enough, but if you just want to use the files and this thing, right, and you don't want to use any DB with Tableau, no, you don't want to use any database with Tableau, right? Then you can go ahead and you can use the file with Tableau directly, and that doesn't need any kind of SQL knowledge. But if you are working with a database, right, and connecting with Tableau, that will need SQL knowledge so that you understand your data better.
Understood. Understood.
Understood, right? Okay. Any more question, like what, why you want to
Yes.
learn? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I already used Tableau, but what I wanted to learn or further my skills on was LOD. So you'll be covering that, right? LOD, is that on the agenda
Yes,
as well?
correct.
Okay.
That is a small part, okay. That is a small part. So those will be covered. So data part, like, okay, getting data, joining data, blending
Uh-huh.
data, and all these things. Only thing is data preparation things will not be
Yeah.
there, okay. If you are using any file, okay, if you are
Yeah.
using any file, you have to prepare your data beforehand. You have to clean your
Mhm.
data beforehand, okay. Like
Yeah.
in Power BI, you have that capability to clean your data inside that tool, okay. But
Mhm.
if you want to clean your data, prepare your data, you have to do it in Tableau Prep, okay, Prep Builder. So we are not covering in this session, right, in this tool program, that Prep Builder, okay, that is a different tool again. So
Yeah. Actually, I've never used that. Yeah. I've never used, yeah, because my data sources are usually Snowflake or Smartsheet or Excel. Yeah. I've never
mhm.
used the, the prep builder, whichever you were talking about, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Then
And also,
you, hmm.
yeah, also I was saying, like, what, the other hard time I had was to build those donut charts, because I have a
Hmm.
dashboard that I'm working on and I have like 80 different views, and I have to create all these different donut charts. Yeah, so hopefully you'll be covering that as well, right? Like, of course,
Yeah.
pie
So
chart is already a basic there.
I will just show you what we are covering. Okay,
Okay.
and that
Yes.
will cover pretty almost everything. Okay, you will have almost analytical functions, analytical all the charts. Okay,
Yeah.
and all the set of tools we are covering. Okay, so here you can
Okay.
see the charts. In this chart, almost every chart you are seeing, right. I think I have not included donut chart, so I can include that.
Yeah.
So those
Okay,
are
please.
some small things again. Okay. So almost all the charts, heat maps,
Yeah.
box plots. So these are box plot and scatter plots or something like that, right? These are some kind of we can do is statistical analytics and all those things. Okay.
Okay.
So many things like maps and all those computing the data. Okay, and working with data, different LOD operations and all those things. Pareto chart
Yes.
and yeah, many we are covering almost everything. And if we have not included any chart kind of thing, okay, you can also suggest, okay, this chart I want to learn, so we can
Mhm.
include.
Okay. Yeah. So please, if you can include donut charts. Yeah. You already have heat map, right? Because I also work on heat maps. So that should
Yeah.
be good. Yeah. Please, if you can include that. And I'll
Hmm.
also look over, like, what other stuff that I've been working on. Then I'll let you know.
Sure.
Okay.
So
Thanks.
creating charts and all, these will be little, these are some pretty easier things, okay. But only few charts, few different charts, okay, which needs extra skills, okay. That we'll also learn, like forecasting and all those things, and trending, setting trends and all those things, right? So those will be few those are the kind of charts which will need some extra skills, okay, uh, and understanding of data. So that we'll see, okay. And
Okay.
also whatever charts you have in your mind, we can always, if it is not in the course, we can always add.
Okay, thanks, sir. And also,
Yeah,
you have those correct, the action filters and parameters and everything.
correct,
Is that? Oh, okay,
correct.
perfect. Okay, thanks,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah, because
So
I've been studying, like looking at YouTube's videos, so I was looking for a structured class. Yeah, this will definitely help me then. Yeah.
fine. So we'll go to
Thanks.
that also. We'll go to the demo, like a few of the things we are having here, and we are going to use. So we will be seeing some dashboard also, where we have some small demos on different parts. Okay. So anything else you have?
Yeah, actually good on my side. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, fine. So now, so apart from apart from these charts, right, apart from Tableau charts, creation of charts, right, we can also we are also including some two Python visualization package, okay, which are matplot library and the seaborn, and you can create any kind of chart, okay, from these. So that will also help you creating different charts, okay, and understanding of data and creating charts and all using this. So apart from, and whatever charts we are showing here, right, we have in the agenda, we have in the course content, all of those charts you can also create with this, but we'll not cover everything there in this. We'll just cover how to use matplot library and seaborn, and we'll give the basic knowledge on this, and also create some chart so that you can start looking into these, okay, visualizations also, Python visualizations also. So that we'll have, and we'll create the end-to-end project, right? Creating, just analyzing the data on using different, dicing and slicing and all those things, and on different front, okay. So that will see end-to-end project and create dashboards. So you can, we'll be using files, will not use any database. So anyone who is not working with database or not working with any kind of data warehousing project, so that will help for them, okay. And also using files and using database are almost similar. So whoever is working with database, right, they can always connect to the database and get the data in to Tableau and work with all the visualizations, same like the file, okay. So that will be covered. We'll see also connecting our data with the SQL Server, how we can connect, and how we can get the data from SQL Server. So we'll see some of that also, but we'll work on the files only. We'll work on different text files, CSV files and all. Okay.
Please show one end-to-end use case so I can able to understand. Still, I have not understand. I mean, why we are using the Tableau and in which scenario we are using the Tableau.
Correct. So this is a demo we have for at least we'll be showing some kind of things like what we can showcase, what we can do with Tableau, and how we can create the visualizations, how we can build the product, this dashboard. Okay, here if you, so I have different kind of dashboards. Let's see. Mm, okay, so fine. Okay. So this is, one simple dashboard. Okay, we can create. Like how you can create this dashboard. We'll also see that. Let me open another page. Fine. So what you can do with this, right? What you can do with your data, we'll just see. So here quickly we'll see. Like this is a data. Okay, this data, global superstore data, is provided by Tableau itself for training purpose. Okay, we can quickly get this data from using data source, and getting this file from using the text file. Okay, so we have already have this. So what we can do with the different data? Okay, you can create the different charts. Okay, single charts. See here, just the data, right? You can just pull in the data, whatever like profit or discount. So here you will be having data for some kind of sales, right? If you have a data for sales, right, you will be having information on location information, you will be having departmental information, you will have the information on your sales, profit, and all those measures, right? All those information, and shipment, inventory. So all those informations you will have. Now, if you want to see your data on different, differently, how you can quickly, easily, how easily you can see through Tableau, that you can see this column, and will not discuss everything. We'll just see the capabilities. Okay. So let's see market wise data. So this is just market wise, we want to see the profit. Okay, which market has how much profit we have got from which market, we'll see. And we can just have this in column. Okay, and you can see directly it is creating the chart. Okay, how easily it is creating the chart, and you can format everything so easily. Okay, this text and these all those things, you can just do this sorting, and so all these things you can do very quickly. You can even create the calculations and all those things so quickly. So once you have created this kind of chart, okay, you have different, you can just directly get the sales, this kind of text and all those things. So total sales, total profits, you can see. So these are so quick, and you can do it so quickly. Yeah. And similarly, you can create some advanced charts kind of thing. Here you can see, right? You are doing some kind of forecasting and all you can do. Okay, here you can see these lines, right? We have this forecasting. So these are some advanced, again, some advanced chart. Okay, we will see in our classes, right? So here you want to suppose you want to see the forecasting for last two, for next 2-3 months or 1 year, based on your previous data, based on your previous sales, and based on your previous profit, right? Whatever profit and all. So you want to forecast for next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, right? And you already have huge amount of data which has been acquired for last 2-5 years, right? So that you can do very easily, quickly here. Likewise, okay, and this all those kind of sheets we have created, right, before, we can use in the we can use in a dashboard. And how quickly we can use in the dashboard, you can see here. Those all of those sheets are used in this dashboard, and we have created this simple and elegant dashboard, right? And that will be done quickly. Let me just create one dashboard and we'll see. So here, see, this is the dashboard, okay, and we have all of our pages created before, whatever we have pages we have created, right? And how quickly we can create the dashboard based on those pages. We just see. Let's Okay. And here now you want to set up your dashboard, right? You can get all of your data from this place, number of customers. Okay. You can place number of customers and you can do all those kind of formatting, all those things. Let me, you have this horizontal, vertical objects and all those things. And now you want to place your charts. Okay. This will place horizontally. You can place two different chart. Okay. And it will see uh, so that way you can just easily, place all of your charts. And now suppose you want to have a vertical uh, tiling here, and easily you can get all of those. So this is how you can very quickly, okay, and you can have all of these objects, and you can very quickly you can do all of your whatever you want to do with your data, and however you want to create the dashboard. We will also learn how to create the dashboard, various techniques of creating the dashboard, the principles behind creating the dashboard. So all those things also we will learn, right? Here you can like keep all of those orders, forecast, uh, customers, number of customers. So all of these things you can do. So these may be, some kind of. So similarly, it means very easily you can quickly you can perform all of these actions. Okay, and yeah, and set up your dashboard.
Can we create maps also of different countries or world map?
Yeah, map, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
all of, yeah, fine. That, so these all will need again, formatting and all this. Okay, we will just go to that. So formatting and all of these things, right? These are again very easy. Okay, and you can do all of the formatting and everything. Okay, and so quickly you can we can build this dashboard and we can create stories. So now you are saying about, we can have, see here the dash the uh, the maps and all you want to create, right? It can be easily created here. Let's see one map, and how you can create a map based on the data. See here you have a country data. If you just pull the data, okay, it is directly creating a map for you. Okay, and now you can do various kind of activities with this map. Also you can filter other data with this map just by clicking. You can filter this data also for some countries and all those things, right? So many, and also you can show your data on colors, okay, in this map. So many activities you can perform, and very quickly you can do all of these activities, okay, with the map settings and with actions, okay, related to with actions we can add with these maps and all, okay, all these charts. So we can create, you can perform various different activities with these things. Okay. So that's how we can have your data, and you can see one of the story we have created. Okay, this is the product story. Suppose we have a product, right? We have product information. So based on the product we want to analyze something, right? So now we can create stories based on this. So here you can see this product, we have just the order number of orders of the product. So we can see like okay, what are the critical orders, high orders, low orders, medium orders, and we can create a story behind the all of this. Okay, so now we can create a story for explaining our data differently. Okay. And with the help of various different charts, and you can have different charts and filters and all those things applied. with this creation of stories, dashboard, and different charts. Okay. So you have many different capabilities, so many capabilities to learn in this tool Tableau, and we'll learn all of these techniques and all those doing making it parameterized based on the selection of, see here in this case you have this case, right? Here you have many parameters created, and based on this your selection will change. So all of these capabilities will be working with. Okay. And your data will see here also. Let's So if you just see here, the trend lines and all those things, forecasting and all those things that we can set also based on a parameter, and that can be done dynamically. So all these things, okay, we'll learn in this course. Okay, all of these creating all of these charts, setting all of these options, and all means creating parameters, calculating complex calculations. Okay, all of those will apply. Okay, we'll learn in this in the Tableau course, entire course. So yeah, if you have any question on this, on the capabilities of Tableau, how you will be using, or what more you will learn in this. So does this answer like what you want to do with your data? So it answers like, okay, how you are going to use your data in Tableau?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any other things on this Tableau part, like on the capabilities, on the charts, or what you can see here also? There's one more capability here, the parameterized, chart. Okay, where based on the parameter, based on the selection, you can have different measures and different calculations, and your chart will work. So all of these will learn.
Yeah, actually, with the other hard time I have, like, when I'm creating these dashboards, right? Like how to do, I mean, which configuration to use? Shall I use full screen or automatic size and so on? Yeah. So I'm looking forward to learn that as well.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So you may be looking for like how you can set it, how you can set the size for mobile, how you can set the size for different
Yes,
screens.
yeah.
So all
For
those things.
landscape or portrait, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
The different modes. And then also, right, like when you have to use a container, because sometimes you have some white space, right? Or you want some
Correct.
white space between your charts, then you put a container and all that. Yeah. So
Yeah, fine.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And so on the other front, like see, the capabilities we learn will be all of these, how we can, the goal will be how we can show our data in a dashboard, how we can create a dashboard based on with our data. Okay, and apply all of the calculations, so that you can apply with your all of the calculations and charts. You can visualize, you can use to visualize your data according to your purpose, whatever purpose you will be having to show your data, that you can use. So almost all the charts will be covered. Okay. Now, fine. So do you have any question? So this your elections, right? You were just doing like how we can create the actions. Okay, based on that, how you can move to some different portals and all those things. Let's see that also. Here we have a demo for that. So you have plenty of means lot of lot of options to create almost everything through this Tableau visualization. So likewise, right here we can create some actions, fine, and just by clicking here, you can go to that, and you can, if you have your company sites, right, and you want to some parameters also you have there, and you want to go to that site based on your selection, and you have different options, or some kind of department, you have different department, right, in the company, and using your chart, you want to go to different department and see your data, right, or you want to show that data in this chart itself, you have site, okay, then you can just do using these kind of actions, you can create URL actions and all those things. So those also will cover like how we can create actions on these charts and all, and you can do various activities on using that, okay, like this. You can see like all of these kind of activities we can do. Okay. Now let's. So do you have any question on the capabilities of Tableau or visualizations? Fine. Okay. Now on the Tableau software part, right? What we are going to be what we'll be using in our training say course during the course, right, which software we'll be using. So mostly I will be using the Tableau desktop, okay, and we have from Tableau, okay, Tableau is offering some free software, okay, for learners, that is Tableau public, and you can use this for any number of days, that is not having any restriction on using. And this will also have all of the capabilities, almost visualization and all, but only thing is here you will not have the capability to save your data in locally, okay. That data will be saved to public cloud, so that you will not be able to use, and that will be open to all the people, okay. So if you are using on some data which are related to customer, right, you cannot use the public, Tableau public in that case. But if you are using other files, that is fine. You can always keep it in the cloud, and yeah, others can also. They are also open to see your data. So that is one of the drawback of Tableau public. But if you are not able to have the software Tableau desktop software, then we can always use the Tableau public. Okay. And in the Tableau public also we have one of the option, okay, to get Tableau public if you are a student, okay. If any student is joining this course, then they can download the Tableau desktop with the student license, okay, and it will be free for 1 year, so they can do hands-on and all those things, work with Tableau desktop for at least 1 year for free. They and to download to use this Tableau desktop with student license, you have to show your either your ID or some proof that you are a student, and uh, your course is in progress. You should not have done your you should not show any previous ID cards or any previous document, okay, to get this license. So that's what we are going to use Tableau public for practicing, okay, and Tableau desktop. So these tools, right? Tableau Reader we don't need, and Tableau Server will be there, but will not have this access for Tableau Server. Tableau Server. So all of the capabilities, right? Whatever we have in the other servers, other Tableau Desktop and this thing, that will be there. Other than that, in Tableau Server, this will be in cloud, right? So securities and all those things and management perspectives, all those things will be added here. So we are not going to see Tableau Server and Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader only is for those people who just want to see the files, see the visualization, see the use the dashboard. And for learner, Tableau Public, and for for any other, we can use Tableau Desktop. So that's all we have on this Tableau, software. What software we are going to use during this program. And on the requirement, I think this is having minimum requirement for Tableau Public, so we don't have to worry about that. That Windows 10 or above, then 2 GB memory, 1.5 GB free disk and all, CPU access. So this I think minimum, so we can use Tableau Public. That's not an issue. Okay, so do you have any question on how you will do, how you will perform, and so on, how you will do your training and all?
So will you show how to download and install Tableau Public?
Okay. So any specific question you have regarding like which domain of data will be used for creating the dashboards, and do you have any specific things in your mind that I want to learn, uh, I want to create a dashboard for this domain, such kind of thing, or any kind of data you are working right now, which domain you are working right now, so that any specific question on those front?
Sir, can you explain what's the difference between on-prem and cloud? Of course, cloud is like, I understand the cloud technology, but what is on-prem? Because I hear those terms very often when I'm working on, like, is on-prem more like a server-based or?
Yeah. So actually, cloud, already, right? The on-prem is like, see, companies, every companies will have their own servers. Okay, they have their own data centers, they have their own databases, and all the data they will have in their data servers only. Okay, they will not have outside. So that is, those will be on-prem. Okay, on premises for the companies. And this cloud, right? Cloud is the cloud service providers. They are giving you the access to their storage, to the they're giving the access to different companies to their storage, and they are charging for that. So they will have data centers at different places, okay, in different countries. So they will keep all of the other country companies data in their data centers at some locations. Those will be on cloud services.
Oh, okay.
So on cloud means, see, the again, storage wise it is same. Okay, storage wise it is similar. That I have my own storage, I have my own hard disk, but it is only for me. Okay, I don't allow others to use. But if I am having a service, okay, I have storage. You can also use my storage. Okay, and others can also use my. I will provide you security. I will provide you space. I will charge for that space. In that way, it's a kind of cloud. Yeah. So yeah. Any question? Any other question? Okay. I think we have some background noise. I can. Okay. Do you have any question? Any other? Hmm. Okay. Fine. It seems some background noise was there. Sorry for make you mute. Yeah. Yeah, that's then that's all we have for this uh, session, and we are going to start our actual class from tomorrow. We just have, and before whoever is joining, right, you get this Tableau desktop from you can get the Tableau desktop from Tableau site, okay, and Tableau public you can get the products from there. Tableau server, Tableau build, okay. Tableau public you can get from here, and you have to sign in, okay, to get the Tableau public. So once you have signed in, you have signed up, okay, and you are signed in, so you will be able to you will be getting that option to download the Tableau public. So that will be downloaded, and you can easily install. Okay, so that's how you can install the Tableau public also. Okay, so yeah, so if you don't have anything else, right? If you don't have anything, then we can wind up. Otherwise, if you have any specific questions, anything, any doubt, okay, you can always ask me now.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
I was asking, will you be covering the LOD functions in this
Yes,
course?
correct. Yes, yes. LOD functions will cover.
Okay, and the security features that we have in Tableau, I don't know the name. Like we have row level security in Power BI.
Correct.
I think user defined security. Something.
Yes.
Okay.
So such things will be covered. Okay. Uh, the row level securities and all these things will be covered, but will not cover the admin part. Okay. This Tableau server, right, will not cover anything from there. Okay. That how to provide through admin whatever security on the objects, whatever that, right, those will not cover.
Okay.
So, but that is again a different thing, right? So that you don't have to worry about as a developer. Admin will take care of all those things, but it's good to know. Yeah. Any more question? Fine. If we don't have any question, then I think we can wind up the call, and whoever is interested, they can always join, and we have all the information provided, I think. So you can always join, and also few classes you can also join after 1-2 classes, because that will not affect much, and we'll have 2-hour session. So and within 20 hours, right, 20 hours, 20 to 22 hours, we'll complete entire course. So that will take around 5 weeks. Okay, 5 for 20. So that will take around 5 weekends, Saturday, Sunday, and classes will be from 8 to 10. Okay. Anyone? Any question?
Yes, sir. Just one request. Like tomorrow, like, can you cover like one of those donut charts if time permits, please?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Yeah, because
We
I'm
can.
working on that one, right? And I went through a couple of YouTube videos, and frankly speaking, I didn't even follow what they were talking about. So it would really help if you can,
Okay, yeah, we
Yeah.
will cover it tomorrow itself, because those are
Okay.
not that
Okay.
complex.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Thanks.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. Then we can then wrap up if no one has any question. Okay.
And you said this class is from 8 to 10, right?
Yeah, 8 to 10, correct.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sounds good. Thanks.
Okay. Then thank you for joining, and we can wrap up the
Okay.
call
Thank
here.
you. Thanks. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.